Hi, Ryu here. I'm a UX designer and also a founder of Real World UX. Today, I'm super excited to announce the launch of Prototype Resource Map Next. Okay, let's dive in. Prototype Resource Map Next is a major upgrade from the previous Prototype Resource Map and Prototype Resource Map Lite. While both of these previous ebooks had extremely valuable information, an overall market has changed quite dramatically in the past few years. For example, 2 or 3 years ago, Sketch used to be the de facto standard UI and prototyping tool. But now, Figma is taking over the most popular UI and prototyping tool's position. This new Prototype Resource Map Next is a free 118-page ebook. It focuses on today's 3 most popular prototyping tools, Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch. Instead of trying to cover every single detail, I covered the most important aspects of the tools such as pricing, basic prototyping interaction model, interaction, transition, animation, video support, unique features. Also, what's newly added is the section called A Few More Insights. Here, I put together 4 insights around and beyond prototyping. These are: try to visualize what an ideal user experience is. A picture is worth 1,000 words. A prototype is worth 1,000 pictures. How to create a low-fidelity prototype in Google Sheets. How to simulate an automatic experience in a prototype. Especially the first one is important. This is not so much about just prototyping. It's more about how a UX designer should approach pretty much any project. We as a UX designer should always envision what an ideal user experience is, even if that's something that you won't be able to implement right away. Whether you spend some time doing this or not heavily affects what you end up prototyping, including where and which specific part you want to focus on. Prototyping is an important part of UX designer's job, but obviously it's not the only thing a UX designer does. But at the same time, prototype is one of the most impactful artifacts when you communicate your concept to other people. Happy downloading and have fun prototyping. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Feel free to put any comments, questions, or suggestions. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.